The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. It is a massive ball of hot plasma, and it is the source of all energy on Earth. The Sun is also a very active star, and it is constantly emitting solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These events can have a significant impact on Earth's atmosphere and on our technological infrastructure. Welcome to the new episode of Viomology. In today's episode, we will talk about another ambitious mission of ISRO. Aditya L1 is a space mission by the Indian Space Research Organization to study the Sun. The spacecraft will be placed in a halo orbit around the Lagrange point 1, L1, of the Sun-Earth system, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. Aditya L1 will be the first Indian spacecraft to study the Sun from the L1 point. Aditya L1 is named after Aditya, the Hindu god of the sun. The spacecraft is about the size of a refrigerator and weighs about 1,500 kilograms. The Lagrange point L1 is a special location in space where the gravitational forces of the Sun and the Earth cancel each other out. This means that a spacecraft placed in a halo orbit around L1 will be able to stay in that orbit without using any fuel. This is a major advantage for Aditya L1, as it will allow the spacecraft to study the Sun for a long period of time without having to worry about running out of fuel. The Aditya L1 mission is designed to study the Sun's atmosphere and its environment. The spacecraft will carry a suite of instruments to study the Sun's corona, the chromosphere, and the photosphere. The spacecraft will also study the Sun's magnetic field and its interactions with the solar wind. The mission will also study the effects of solar activity on Earth's atmosphere and on our technological infrastructure. The scientific objectives of the Aditya L1 mission include: to study the structure and dynamics of the Sun's corona, to study the origin and acceleration of the solar wind, to study the interaction of the solar wind with Earth's magnetic field, to study the effects of solar activity on Earth's atmosphere and on our technological infrastructure. Study the origin of space weather. Aditya L1 will carry a number of instruments to study the Sun. These instruments include a visible emission line coronagraph to image the Sun's corona, a solar ultraviolet imaging telescope to study the Sun's atmosphere, a magnetometer to measure the Sun's magnetic field, Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment to study the solar wind. Aditya L1 was originally scheduled to be launched in 2020, but the launch was delayed due to technical reasons. The spacecraft is now scheduled to be launched in August 26, 2023. The spacecraft will be launched by an Indian PSLV rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. It is expected to operate for at least 5 years. The Aditya L1 mission is a major undertaking by the ISRO. The mission has the potential to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Sun and its effects on Earth. It is also a testament to India's growing capabilities in space science and technology. Countdown is already started. Till then, be curious. Do let us know your thoughts in comments and keep watching Viomology. Thank you.